Assalamu alaikum. I am Hania Khalid and I belong to a middle class family. I started my journey in Danish back in 2017 and since then I have learned to fly. Today I stand tall with multiple laurels and stars on my shoulder and I am ready to face the world. I am a position holder in Matriculation Board 2022 and I have won multiple awards at national and provincial levels, including awards in debates, dramas, and creative writing. Recently, I just won first position in intra-board debate competitions that were held by inter-board community in Islamabad, and I represented Punjab there. When I came in Danish, I was nothing but a diamond in the rough. Danish brought out the talent in me and polished my talent like they polished a diamond. Today I've learned how to communicate and how to excel in this world. The encouragement and support that Danish has given me